How can you safeguard your IoT devices? Let's try to answer this question on today's episode. What is IoT? The Internet of Things refers to a network of interconnected physical objects that are equipped with sensors and software and can gather and exchange data through the internet. IoT devices function similarly to any other internet-connected laptop or smartphone. They have embedded systems that include software, firmware, and operating systems. As a result, they are vulnerable to the same threats such as malware and cyber attacks. Hackers can also use device flaws to distribute malware to other devices on the same network, resulting in the creation of a botnet, or a network of interconnected devices designed to perform automated activities. They can use this botnet to perform DDoS or man-in-the-middle attacks. Now, the first step is to secure your routers. Default usernames and passwords are very easy for hackers to guess and should be the first thing you should change to safeguard your network. The next step is to enable the highest level of encryption, which includes Wi-Fi protected access to WPA2 and higher encryption methods ensure that only authorized users can use your same network. Finally, make a guest network to keep your IoT devices connected separately from your other important devices such as laptops and smartphones. If a hacker gains access to your IoT devices, the damage is limited to the devices connected to that network. Also, update regularly. Make sure you have the latest version of the software for your IoT device. Updating your device is important because they go beyond bug patches and algorithmic modifications to address software vulnerabilities. Go into your settings and schedule frequent updates. This will eradicate the need for you to do it manually. And finally, do your research. Before making a large investment in an IoT gadget, do your homework. Check to see whether the gadgets are from a trustworthy manufacturer or not. Also, keep track of the data your IoT devices obtains, how suppliers utilize it, and what they share with other users or third parties. Check the level of control that you have over your privacy and data usage. If an IoT device allows you to opt out of having your data gathered or view and remove the data it does collect, that's a positive indicator. Disable unnecessary features. Consider the risks you expose yourself to virtually as well as physically the next time you go for a run or a walk with geolocation enabled on your smartwatch. Check all the features and settings on your devices and only enable the features that are required. This will make it harder for hackers to use them as a point of entry to compromise your privacy. Any device that is connected to the internet is vulnerable to cyber threats. Keep yourself updated with the latest news of the cyber world to stay safe. For more information, you can log on to cyberpeace.org or you can reach out to us on WhatsApp at 957-000-0066. That's 957 5 times 0 and 66. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next Cyber Secure episode only on CyberPeace TV.